Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you the package that you get on my Patreon. The welcome pack consists of 4 packs of models, the guns, action figure pilots, the robots, robot dogs, and the humanoid robot. And every month you will get 4 models. A Big Mac, 20 centimeters, a robot, 10 centimeters, a jet fighter, or kind of, and a vehicle.
So this is a pilot pack. You get a male body, a female body, different types of heads, a helmet, detachable on ball joint, armor, guns, detachable wings on the back, remote control, battery, axe, knife. Next is the guns pack. You get different type of guns, energy guns, the sniper rifle, EMP, machine guns, as you can see here, the launcher, batteries, also ammo, optical visors, handles, screens can be attached, flexible cables can be attached here to the guns, different attachment points. The light robot dog, it also has 1 battery, the gun, radar, a seat for the pilot, and our legs are also detachable on ball joint, the base also detachable. And the next is humanoid robot. You get a humanoid robot 10 centimeters on ball joints. Here is the backpack, the gun, the carry frame that you can put there to carry some weapons or other stuff, different handles, and the shield. So, if you want to get more awesome models, subscribe to Patreon, share, like the YouTube.